Hi everyone, so I just want to start off by saying I am currently doing some research into Finnish grammar, so the cases and word order and these sorts of things, and I already asked in my Facebook group what were people's go-to resources when studying these things, and I just wanted to quickly ask right in the beginning if you have any go-to websites or any go-to material for Finnish grammar. Please leave them in the comments below. Help a girl out. So besides that, I just wanted to go over some very basic time expressions. So how to say today. Today is tänään. 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 There's a lot of as there. Tänään. 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 Today is tänään. Tänään on tänään. Today is today. If you want to say tomorrow, you would say huomenna. 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 Tänään is today. Tomorrow is huomenna. 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 Then, if you want to say not today, not tomorrow, but the day after tomorrow, you would say ylihuomenna. So yli means kind of over, and then huomenna is tomorrow, so over tomorrow. So 2 days from now, tomorrow's tomorrow would be ylihuomenna. Yli, ylihuomenna. 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 Tänään, huomenna, ylihuomenna. Alright, so then if you want to go back into the past and say blah blah something yesterday, you would say eilen. 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 A, just like the word no, a and len. Eilen. Tänään, huomenna, ylihuomenna, and eilen. Then if you want to go 2 days into the past, so not yesterday, but the day before yesterday, you would say toissa päivänä. Now, päivä means day. Toissa is kind of like the other day, like the other day. So that's what toissa päivänä literally means, on the other day. Päivänä, the n at the end is kind of like on that day. Päivänä, on that day. Toissa, the other, on the other day. I think that's, in my head, that's how the literal translation would sound like in English. So if you want to say not yesterday, but the day before yesterday, you would in Finnish say toissa päivänä. Toissa päivänä. Toissa päivänä. Toissa päivänä. So all together we have tänään, huomenna, ylihuomenna, eilen, and toissa päivänä. Toissa päivänä. Hope you learned something new, and make sure to give me your tips on Finnish grammar in the comments below. Hopefully you all have a lovely day. Bye!